Hello, this is Welcome to my channel, OMNIIMAGO. Did you ever had an issue with your Windows 10 and it was lagging, or you had an error, or you even had a virus that looked like this? So if that's happening, let's hope that will not, but if that is happening, what you might need to do is to install a fresh copy on your PC, unless you have hardware components which are also affected. But it's better to stay on the safe side and to be ready at any time to reinstall your Windows or even upgraded it. So what we're going to see today is how you can recover quickly and easily in less than 1 minute your Windows product key. So we have the article from Microsoft. That would be the starting point, and I will add that link in the description. There are some recommendations on how you can recover your product key. How the product key is looking is like this: is a series of 5 groups of alphanumeric digits that will allow you to get your Windows activated, validated with all the features. So I will add that link in the description, because it would be good to check the recommendations from Microsoft. And also this way of recovering your product key, I tested it on Windows 10 and Windows 11, but it might work also on Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. So let's get to work and to see what we can do. So to recover your key, you can go on this website, ccleaner.com. I will add also, of course, this link in the description, and goes here to SPICY. So you can click here on download free version, and by any reason you will be transported lower in the same page here, and to be able to click on the free download. And it's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to click on the free download. Then you have that page where you have the option to download the software. So let's download it. It's downloading, and now let me open the file, give him the administrator rights, and go ahead with the setup. How the setup looks like is actually like this. Let me zoom in, and you can either choose install or customize. What they mean by customize is actually to add a desktop shortcut or a start menu shortcut. So it's not that much. I will click on install. It will be very quick, less than 40 seconds. You saw it took a few seconds actually. And then you can untick the view release notes if you are not interested in it, and then click on run SPICY. This is how the software actually looks like. You have an overview about the what you have on your computer. So starting with the operating system, then you have the data about your CPU. You have also the temperature for your CPU, then RAM, motherboard, and so on and so forth. And you can go here at the left to get more details about your hardware components. And just to share with you a personal experience, a while ago I had a PC that was built for supporting a maximum of 8 gigs of RAM, and what I did was to add, it was compatible. I double checked, I verified with the manufacturer. I added a 16 gigs of RAM to that PC, and when I used SPICY, what did it was to show me the 16 gigs, just like here. But actually at the Windows level, task manager performance level, it was showing me only 8 gigs. So this application will allow you to see the actual components, to have an overview, a sort of product description by component for your PC. But let's move to the topic, and to find your product key, you can go here on the operating system, and if you go there, you will have something like this. So you will have your so-called serial number, actually is the product number, so you can use that one for your new installation, for your product installation. And also it's very important, because if you are by any chance also installing a virtual machine on your Windows, then the same product key will be applied to that specific machine if you're choosing still Windows as operating system for that virtual machine. So I hope that you find this video useful. I wish you not to have any need of reinstalling Windows, but if you do and you need to recover your data, that might be a way to do it. So if you enjoyed that video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting for your comments. If you have any, have a perfect day. Bye bye.